Okay, hi everybody. Please welcome Mr. Arnold Warren, a trainer presenter of the Les Mills Asia Pacific region. And he's going to make kwento to us how he ended up on being the lead on the poster of Body Jam 46.
Okay, so it all happened in New Zealand at the Les Mills Global Summit last February 2007. They asked all the trainers to send in photos, like a headshot and a full body shot, for selection of the posters for the coming releases. And luckily...
Did you say 2007? As in last...
2008.
Oh, sorry, this year. Sige.
So luckily, among the 400 trainers who were there in the event, only 5 of us were chosen to be shortlisted for the Body Jam poster for the coming releases. So yeah, straight in New Zealand, when I got there, they gave me a schedule on the photo shoots, and they gave us like 45 minutes each for the pictorials. It was sort of like the America's Next Top Model, if you watch that.
I think you just dance any way you like?
Yes, any way we want. And I saw the other 4 people who were in the selection, and they were all beautiful and handsome with their pointy noses, their cheekbones. But what I have, they don't. They just did some of the moves for Body Jam, and I knew that my strength is being a dancer. So I just did everything that I could. I jumped on air, I rolled on the floor, did everything that I had to do to make it to the poster. And at first I thought they didn't like me at all because it just took 15 minutes to do my shoot, while
the others
took like 45 minutes to an hour. And they were playing with shots of them, and right after I finished my jumping and my rolling and everything that I did, they say, okay, thank you, we got what we want. So I got frustrated. I thought I didn't make it, and luckily I was one of the 2 that came out, 1 for 45. My image was used for 46, so I'm very happy with it. Luckily, just I think 3 months ago, I got an email that showed the picture that they will use for Body Jam 46 cover, and it was a great shot.
Yay! And here it is.